Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today we are making some healthy chocolate cookies. They're double chocolate, moist, decadent, ooey gooey, soft cookies, the perfect cozy recipe. I like to finish mine with a little bit of flaked salt because I like salty and sweet, but you definitely can just leave them as is because they are so yum. Let's go ahead and make them. So to make these delicious double chocolate cookies, I'm starting off with some coconut oil. I didn't melt it. I'm leaving it kind of like as is to make it easier for the batter to come together. And then I'm using some coconut sugar and a combo of date sugar. You can just use coconut or just use date. I just ran out of coconut this day, so I used a combo of both, but they're gonna be the same in this recipe. You're gonna blend that together until you get something that looks like this and kind of whip the two together. Once they are whipped together, I'm adding in an egg, but if you are vegan, you can use a flax egg here. Just make sure to allow it to gel for a good 10-15 minutes. A little bit of vanilla, and then just blending that again until it is nice and smooth. Then in a separate bowl, we are going to mix together our dry ingredients. So I'm using some almond flour, some psyllium husk, which adds fiber and helps bind the cookies, some coconut flour, and some cacao. I would highly recommend sifting your cacao for this recipe. It's going to make the cookies just that much better if you can sift it. You don't need to sift the almond flour, but especially sift the cacao just through a sifter like I am doing, just banging it on the sides until everything comes out. And then anything that is left over there, you can just use a spatula and just gently press it through to get any of the stuff that didn't come through naturally. Then we are going to mix our dry together slightly to combine it, and we're going to start adding it to our wet mixture. Now I would recommend doing this 50-50, so taking half of the dry ingredients, adding them to the wet, folding it together, and then adding the second half of the dry ingredients. It's just going to allow it to come together a lot easier. And then I'm adding in these dairy-free, sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm not measuring here, but it's probably about a quarter cup. You don't have to be perfect with this. You can do a little bit more, a little bit less, and I'm just folding those through the batter. So then I chilled the batter for 1 hour. This is important. When you chill cookie dough, the cookie flavor comes together a lot easier and a lot better. So I would recommend chilling it just to develop the flavor. And then I am using a scoop, just an ice cream scoop, to scoop out our cookies so that we get kind of like the same sized cookies in the same shape. So I'm just laying that on a sheet of parchment paper, but you can also use a silicone mat. And after we bake them, I finish them off with some sea salt. This part is totally optional, but I love the combo of salty and sweet. And all of the measurements and directions will be left in the description box below so that you can make these delicious, soft, sea salt double chocolate cookies. They're soft, moist, plus the melted chocolate really makes them. And guys, have a look at this texture. Like, how delicious are they? Highly recommend making this recipe and tagging me on Instagram so I can see all of your creations. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know what healthy dessert you'd like me to make next down in the comments, and I will also leave my last healthy dessert video here on the screen so you can make lots more healthy desserts that not only taste amazing but are also good for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.